Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making white chicken Malai Kofta, a rich, flavorful recipe. Let's get cooking. First, heat oil in a pan, add cashews, green chilies and cardamom. Let them sizzle for a few seconds and add onions and saute everything together until the onions turn soft and translucent. In the same pan, add a little extra oil and fry ginger garlic paste. Meanwhile, let's give our sautéed mixture a quick spot treatment. Pop everything into a blender and blend it nice and smooth. Then pour that creamy mixture straight into the pan and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the whole spices. I will list all the ingredients and the exact measurement in the description below, so don't worry about pausing the video. Give everything a good mix and let those beautiful flavors come together. Now slowly pour in 2 cups of yogurt, stirring continuously as you add it. These little steps keep the gravy smooth and creamy. Once the yogurt is fully incorporated, add 2 packets of cream and mix well. Then pour in 2 cups of water, give everything a good stir and let the gravy come to a gentle boil. While that's bubbling away, let's make the koftas. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 kgs of chicken mince, finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, fresh breadcrumbs, fresh coriander, 2 eggs, and all your spices. Mix everything really well until everything is evenly combined. Now shape the mixtures into medium-sized koftas. They don't have to be perfectly round, they are homemade and that's the beauty of it. Now fry the koftas on both sides. By now the gravy should be gently boiling. Carefully place the koftas into the pan one by one. Don't try to stir them right away so they keep their shape. Cover the pan and let everything cook on low-medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. As they cook, the koftas become soft, juicy, and soak up all the rich, creamy flavors.